It's so tall in here, right? It's so tall. All right. Look at this one here. MeeMee, you gotta be careful, honey. MeeMee. I can't find MeeMee. Where's MeeMee? There she goes. Hi, Charity. Oh, no. No. We don't want this dragon. Because then this is going to be all wet. Lord have mercy. We don't want this dragon, honey. Because they're going to be all wet for Mommy to touch it. Take it off, Mama. Take it off. How about you? You look safe. You look safe. I don't know where this little beagle's going. Where you going, little beagle?